Hello everyone, this is Crypto Maximalist. Welcome back to another video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and get involved if you like the content. We're currently running a giveaway for those who like our videos, so give the video a like if you want to be entered into that giveaway. So we're just taking a look at Dogecoin here. As we can see recently, obviously that massive huge parabolic pump off the back of the news of Elon Musk buying Twitter and that acquisition being completed. Obviously you can see this is a huge hockey stick type formation, an unbelievable sprint to the upside, you would say. And now looking like, we have started to run into a bit of resistance over the past week or so. You can see this huge run up here. The past 4 or 5 days we're starting to make these huge wicks, aren't we? Where we are starting to run into a little bit of resistance, a lot of people taking profits. You can see on the chart here that we have actually formed potentially a bit of a bullish trend here with higher high, higher low, and now this higher high. Potentially if we come back and back test some key levels and continue like this, we could be looking at a trend reversal for Dogecoin, depending on what happens obviously in the wider market. We still do have quite a high correlation with the market overall, we'd say for basically all cryptocurrencies. But Dogecoin obviously looking very strong right now. You can see it ran from around that 6 cent mark all the way to around 16 cents, as we said before, running into this key level of resistance here, where we have seen, quite a decent rejection the first time around, and then we've come back up, we've tested it again, haven't we? And now looking like over the past few days, we are just chopping sideways, having a little bit of consolidation before the next move. Obviously, you can see we're very overbought in the RSI. Incredibly so. This might be the most overbought I've ever seen anything. 93 there. A huge pump follow, and this is absolutely unsustainable price action, let's be honest. Obviously the momentum to the upside increasing massively, and obviously getting a very nice break of the EMAs as well, very clearly and almost instantaneously. Over those few days of pumping, we did flip the EMAs, and we've come up and we've hit that level of resistance, haven't we? And we are starting to see quite a lot of resistance in this area. If we just take a look at the hourly here, you can see what's going on a bit more clearly. We've obviously come up here and had this swing high. We've come back down and basically back tested more or less this key level of structure here, which is outlined, and also back testing our 55 EMA here as well. We've come back down and we are continuing to the upside here, and now looking like we've come up, we've retested this, we've tested this level here, as we said, as our local swing high. We've come back down, we've lost the EMAs, and now we're looking like we are just chopping sideways a little bit. But as we said, it looks as though, on the hourly time frame here, you can see very clearly from around this peak here all the way up, the RSI is starting to lose momentum on the hourly time frame. So as we've said in previous videos, you probably would be expecting a retracement here, in our opinion. On the daily time frame, you can see the levels much more clearly. We're probably going to be expecting a retracement for Dogecoin at the very least down to around this 11 cent level here, this previous swing low support, which was resistance, and then flip back into support would be a good bullish reversal of the market, wouldn't it? And we do think that this is entirely possible for Dogecoin. It's currently in a bullish market structure technically, with higher highs and higher lows. So, but we do think moves like this, they do tend to retrace quite heavily, and when the momentum to the upside does start to decrease, we could see Dogecoin back down at this level at the very least at 11 cents. Maybe even coming down to that previous swing high resistance of the range, and that 0.23 Fibonacci level at around 9.5–10 cents. We do think this would be a very healthy retracement for Dogecoin before seeing some more upside. But obviously the hype could continue, and we could see ourselves retesting the top of this key level at that around that 15.6 cent level there. If we do start to see ourselves coming up, that would be our target to the upside, and our target to the downside. This area here is very likely, in our opinion, to get retested before continuation, depending on what the wider market does. So Dogecoin looking fine, as we've said, doing what it needs to do, and we do think that it's looking pretty damn strong at the minute, isn't it? Stuck under resistance currently, but we're probably going to see a retracement fairly soon. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you everyone for watching. Make sure to check out the links in the description below to support the channel. Grab yourself some free money bonuses, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.